Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of geopolitics, comparing the military budgets of two Asian giants, China and India. Let's start with China. In 2024, China has allocated a staggering $224 billion to its military. That's about 1.5% of its GDP. This makes China the second largest military spender in the world, trailing only behind the United States. China's focus is on modernizing its military. We're talking advanced technology, naval expansion, missile systems, and even space capabilities. Now let's switch gears to India. In 2024, India has a military budget of approximately $77 billion. That's around 2.1% of its GDP. India ranks as the fourth largest military spender globally. India's priorities: enhancing border security, modernizing military equipment, expanding naval capabilities, and maintaining strategic forces. But here's the kicker. China's military budget is nearly 3 times that of India's. This significant difference reflects China's broader economic capacity and its global military ambitions. India, on the other hand, focuses significantly on regional defense and securing its borders, particularly with Pakistan and China. China's strategy, however, is more globally oriented, with substantial investments in power projection capabilities. So, what does this all mean? The budgetary difference highlights the strategic and economic gap between the two nations. But make no mistake, India continues to invest heavily in its military to address its security challenges. That's a wrap for today. If you found this breakdown on China and India's military budgets insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more geopolitical insights. Until next time, stay informed.